Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the image I'm going to be creating today, and remember to subscribe to my Spinkly channel where I create my art creations and also where I share my artwork, my speed recordings. So for this particular video, I'm going to be creating on Procreate on my iPad Pro, which is basically a new tool I got. And so I'm still learning how to use the tool, and I decided that I'm gonna be creating like my style on Photoshop just so that I can be mobile with my work and I'm not fully reliant on my laptop, because my laptop is going kaput and kind of feels like a desktop at this point. So just being mobile, I decided to do this art. I know it's not exactly the same as my art on Photoshop, but I want to believe that a girl is learning and a girl can, because a girl is it. So follow along if you want to see how I create in this video. I will say that I'm still learning how to pick up my colors and use the brushes. You know, I can't say I'm exactly satisfied with it, but you know, practice is where you get good at it. So I'm gonna keep doing my practices and I'm gonna keep sharing my process, because I do want to learn and I do want to get better. But I like to share my work and my recordings so that if you want to follow along, you can. Remember to reduce the speed of the video so you can follow along and see what I'm doing. For this one, it's a screen recording, and you can't see the arrow, but if you know how to use Procreate, you technically kind of know what I'm using. So follow along, enjoy the video and the music, and I'll see you at the end. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. reached this far in the video. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Follow me on Spinkly Creations on Instagram and like.